Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. This is a new session and the new video, a chapter. This is about 3D Max. Okay, so in the 3D Max, you will see many tools, but you don't have to worry about these things. Just follow my video step by step, so you will be able to work on 3D Max. So don't confuse with these old tools. Just follow my tools. So by video, you will be able to work all of these tools. Inshallah, you can make good output. So let's go with the box. Just click the box. So if you click the box, you can write this if you want. You will see some settings. This is name and color and creation method. And there's a keyboard entry. If you know how to make X, Y, Z, you can go with that. And there's the parameters, length, width, height. You can see same here also. The segment, this is the very important things. Segments is very important. You have to pre-plan. Let's see how. So let's click and drag box. Before that, I will touch again. Click, drag, leave the mouse and up and down and wherever you want, just click it. So you see here the box is created. So you can choose this select and move and click outside and center mouse center button you click you will go and here the most important things the wireframe because you cannot see the how many segments have created. Okay, here you have to see the wireframe. One minute. How to see the wireframe is very easy. Here you can see this is perspective, standard and default setting. Click here. You will see some wireframe override, edge faces, and there's something here, many different settings. Here you go standard. You have some settings here also. So don't worry about these things. You can, you don't have to. Just check this one. So just go to here. Let's get wireframe. So you have this box. So I don't have any sequence here. So if you click here, so this is already gone. So in that case, you have to go to this one. This is modify. So you will see this. If you increase the segment, you see how it is dividing. Okay. Let's say I need four legs. One here, and one here, one here. Okay. So if I want to make a leg, four leg like this, I cannot draw without a segment. Example, let's go with the shaded and click here. And you can, in the modify, you can add poly edit. So you can type PO, edit poly. Okay. So here you have many things like a vertex, meaning this is point called vertex. This is edge, it's edge, and too many things. But here we will go with the polygon. Click here. You see here there's extrude. Okay. So you see here when you extrude, it's coming totally. But I need small piece more. For that one, I need what? This is no problem. Yes. For this, let's undo. Do not confuse. Just remove this one. Okay. So in that case, we need to make wireframe. So this case, you have to divide this. So 1, 4. Okay. And this side, I don't need it anymore. Okay. So let's go with the edit poly again. You can type poly, edit poly. Okay, so let's click. Now you can select one face. Okay, now if you go extrude, you will take only this one. So this kind of work can be done by making segments. You see this one? So let's make undo again. So here you can go insert. So you get insert and again extrude. So you see here, I can take like this. So wireframe. Okay, see this one? Something is different. So segment, dividing segment is very, very important. So let's go undo again. So let's select all by click control one, two, three. Let's go insert. So you see all together it's going. Okay. So there is a one option. Uh, 1 minute. So there is a one option. We can go with individual. This is going with the group. So we make undo again. It's not making undo. Okay. So before making insert, you go here, settings. So here you can see at this point, group by polygon. So we will go with the by polygon. And here you can check by value, or we can go here. Okay, undo. So we have already by polygon, insert. So you can go with like this individual. Okay. Now you can go with the extrude and then we can go with the shaded. Okay, so you can take something like this. I hope you understand very well. But in this case, there is another thing I want to know. What kind of use we can take from this one? Actually, many things. Okay, this is depend on your ideas, how you are creating. Okay, so there's many things you can do for now. I hope this is enough for you. So don't make complicated yourself by one time suddenly going to make a big project. Just start small things like this. Okay. So let's play same thing, but in the different way. Okay. Okay. Let's go with the insert. Uh, yeah. It's already by polygon. So let's insert individual. Undo. Okay. Extrude. Oh, there is something cool here, bevel. So let's check what is happening. Click. Okay, going up. And okay, it's something happening. Just try like that. Okay, now let's make one extrude. Okay, let's go with the bevel. Click. Insert. Oh, we go up. Okay, let's go. It's going inside. Let's extrude again. Okay, let's bevel again. Okay, let's extrude again. Let's bevel again. Let's extrude. So I hope you can come up with some ideas using like this. Okay. Uh, anything, even you want a column, different kind of column, if you go to the Google, let's go with the new Chrome. Okay. Just column, decorated column, decorated polycolumn. Let's type what will come. COOLOUN. I think you can come up with some kind of this ideas, or you can come up with this ideas, this one, or you can come up with this one. You can design this one, okay? Or you can design, yeah, this one. This one also possible. I will teach you later. Why later? Now we will do. Okay, let's column decorate that column. So let's delete this one. You can go here. Okay, escape. This one. This one you have off. So you can select this. You can just delete it. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, let's draw that column. Yeah, this is just I want to make you understand how to use this uh, things as we want. So let's make a box. Let's make go to the modify panel because I don't need multiple segment because it's a single. So make poly edit. Actually edit poly. So we will go here. Click. Okay, I don't need four. So let's make one. Here also one. Now we will go edit poly. Now let's check. Okay. Let's make insert. Yes. Then extrude. Then insert. So it's not going to insert. We need out. Let's make out. So it's making a problem. Yo, so we will make undo. So let's make one small extrude. You see, when I am extruding time, when I stop, this creating a segments. You see here. Okay, see this one small segment. If you don't need segment, you can go with the measurement if you want. So let's make out. Okay, let's make extrude again. So let's make this one shaded again because I want to see the shaded. Okay, where is default shading? You see here in the Google, I saw this small insert item. Okay, so let's go with extrude. I think now this is my problem. I don't want to that segment. So we will go with the wireframe. Let's click this. Okay, it's selecting all. So that time we will go with this one. Okay, so let's delete it. Let's delete it totally. So I think I have a remove here. Loop string here. Remove. So better remove from here. So you will not totally you will not lose your object. So let's go to the standard. Okay. So let's go with the execute. Let's try. Oh, I have to choose this one. Click. So maybe not this one. I have to go with insert. One. Again, another one. Let's go with the wire. Okay, then now extrude. So click this, and this, and this, this, and we will go with the extrude inside. So let's go with the shaded. So it's came. Okay, you can go with the orbit. So there's many orbit. You can go like this and like this, and you can see your model and click this on. I hope you understand. So we create something like this. You can even for the modification, you can go for the vertex or anything. Here you can make like this and make up and down if you want. Adjust everything. It's possible. Okay. So let's go for the front view. Okay, I make top view. Press T top front F. So we will make center. Zoom on, or you can go with this zoom extend. You see here, this is there the bevel here, but here I don't have. So you can go with the vertex. You can arrange up. Okay, so it's that. So what kind of work we can do with this one? You can model a chair if you want. Let's go. Let's go with the chair. 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 Okay, I hope you can model something like this. Something like this. Okay, and you can model some, yes, some kind of poly things. Try something like this. Okay, so you will be able to work with that. Then we can go with the next one for the advanced levels one by one. So you can something create like this also possible. Okay, this is just for in your imagination. So if I want to try this one, so very easy. Now here, just I will show you two, three tools only. I will not go with complete because it will take time. So let's go for the perspective. All right. Let's delete this one. We don't need anymore. So instead of if I want to do this, I will go with the left paste, left. Now I will go over here, box. There's some advanced tool, but I don't want to go advanced for now. So you will create one like this. Just click it here. And like this, click it here. Anywhere. So if you go front, you will see your object. So here, if you see here, modify, you know, the height, width, length. So this one is, let's go with 100. So we will go with the 10. So we will go with the 50. So we will do same this one. So this one will be, I think, this one will be 50. And this one will be 50 also. Okay, in the perspective, you will see something like this. Okay, so this time we have to go to the left. Click this one. You can go center X. Y is this way. X is this way. So we will go to the center and place it here. Okay. Now this one, the width, let's go with 75. Okay. You can group this one, you can select this both. Start selecting, you have to opt this one. You can group this one if you want. You can go with the right click. There's the option grouping. Snap for the object properties. Go. Okay, here we don't have group. We have group option. Somewhere here. Okay, it's here. Because of new version, I'm little confused. It's group. Here you can make it group if you want to. Okay, so you can go with the perspective view and you can rotate. So if you go shaded, it's look like this. So if you go here, it's something similar. The problem, this is scaled, and so you will see space piece by piece. So how we will do that one? If you go to the left, so we will go for the left. Just press L. Okay, undo. Just L. Remove this orbit. So we can follow this line, but we will do piece by piece. So we will next ungroup this one. So this one, I will go with the smaller. So this is a scale. You can make scale like this. Okay. So you will copy. You can press the shift and just move. You to take copy. So how many copy you want? Let's make 10. So you have this one. Okay. The same way I will make this one scale. Okay. So here, let's shift, press shift. We will make 10 also. So if you go instance, if you change one, everything will change. So I am not going for the instance, I am going to copy. We can learn later, little bit later. So if you go to the perspective again, okay. So we will go with this one. You see here. So in the front view, we will go on the front. So because that one not correctly get the proper visual style. So let's go for the perspective. Orbit. So here, follow my mouse, okay? So you will find something like this. With the bend everything, there's more other tools. Just for the idea I am showing, there's more other tools, but I cannot teach you everything one time because you will forget. And you have to watch the many time video because I want to make step by step. In next video, I will tell you how to do everything, bend, special tool, everything. So take idea. So you see this one. So something similar, you can take this one. So what else? This one, this bar, this bar, this bar, this one like this. You can make the box, same box in the left view and just rotate. And this on top, you just place it. This one, example, I will do something like that, but without using the additional tools. So just go to the left. So I will go to the same box. You can make like this. So if I go front, so follow these steps until you get familiar. For the left again. Now I will go with the box. Again, same box. Okay, no problem anywhere. Straight it go. So this is rotate. You can rotate something like this. Then go here. You can mirror also this one. There's the mirror option here. So you can make copy. Better we go with this time instance. Okay, right. So you will know why I am going instance. What is the benefit of instance? So let's take this one. Okay, now let's see both are similarly changing. See, this is the instant. So it's in the not proper place. So go to the top. You can see this two, one and two. You will move this one here. Okay. Now if you go to the perspective and the orbit, okay. So you can go with the default shading. So you will see something like this. So let's go to the top again. You can go for the T. So let's select this item. So this time I want to click this one. Okay. This one, press shift. You can copy another one. Okay, let's go with instant also. So let's go for the perspective by pressing P. You see this one? It's something different, okay? So let's go to the left again. So let's select this guy. I want to delete a little bit. I want to delete this too because it's too much. So let's select this. We can rotate like this and oh, okay. Now you know how to do the rest. You will know how to do the rest of the item. So you can rotate this one. See something like this. It just come. You can do the rest of the things using only the box. Rotate. And, if you want some decoration, you can go with the bevel, extrude everything. So I hope you understand. So with the advanced tool, inshallah, next video I will create something with the advanced tool. Until then, you practice, and I hope I can upload very soon. Practice this one. Through this one, you can do many things. Many things you can do. Even with these tools, what I teach you, you can create a floor plan design, something. Floor plan design, something like this. Let's make 3D. Something like something similar to like this or like this or like this also you can create. Forget about the material, everything we can learn about a bit later. But I want you to be creative. Um, you should able to create some design from the knowledge from the tool what you know. So always some people think we need to know advanced tool to create advanced thing. No, if you know simply two tools, you can create many things. For example, there's another option. I will teach you that one, but if you forget, no problem. There's a called material. So you can simply press M. The material option will come. Okay. So there's some full material here. Some let's go with the physical material. Don't want to do too many things. I am checking. Which one will be okay for you? Oh, let's learn this one later because I am also confused. Which one I will tell you very easier. So you will just practice this one until next video. We will learn next video. That one thing. And in the next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.